Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made these beautiful white line donuts. Looking so beautiful. This is a commercial donut. You will make this and you will make enough gain. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free. Don't forget to like this video. Okay, today I'm using my new donut cutter. I bought it at the rate of 700 naira in the market. This is my yeast. I have 1 tablespoon of yeast. So first I will activate my yeast, whether dry yeast, whether active yeast or instant yeast. Me, I activate all. So use your warm water. This 1/2 cup of water, I will add it to my yeast with a little sugar already. I will mix together and allow it to foam up. If you try this is just a way to test your yeast to be sure it is active. Just set it aside and you continue. Measure out your 60 grams of butter. This is my 60. You can use 2 tablespoons, but this is 60 grams of butter, 2 eggs. I have my flour. I'll be measuring out 500 grams of flour. Okay, I will go and wash my hand very well because I'm using my bare hands to handle this. So I will add all my dry ingredients together. Everything, just all the ingredients, I'm going to add everything together. I'm adding my 2 eggs. I'll just pinch the salt 2 times and add sugar. This is 1/3 cup, 1/3 cup. That's what I use. This 60 grams of butter, margarine. That's all. So you mix, incorporate very well. Feel free to add your milk. Please feel free to add your milk, but this is for commercial purpose because you have to make enough gain. If you add too much milk, my dear, you will lose. Market is very costly. That's why I'm handling it this way. For you to make enough gain, you have to reduce some things. But if you want to try this at home, feel free to add your milk. So now I'm going to add more warm water to it. This 1/4 cup. Are you saying it? 1/4 cup. So this is still warm water. I will still incorporate and mix together. Take your time. It's as if the dough is still strong a bit. So I'll still measure out another 1/4 cup. That's 1/4 cup. But I will not add all at the same time. I'll add a little and check. Okay, it's as if everything is okay now, so I'm not adding more. So take your time and be careful. If you over add water, don't be afraid. All you need to do is make sure you have extra flour by the side to add more. So now it's time to knead. I'll take my time to knead, at least knead for 15 minutes before you stop. If it's sticking on the table, feel free to sprinkle your flour and you continue kneading. So I'm going to put it back in that my mixing bowl and cover it with my cling film. If you have cling film or you have kitchen towel, neat one, you can cover and set aside for 20 minutes before you bring it back to the table. Okay, right now I have to cut out my baking paper. I will need to cut it small so that I will use it for my donut. So after 20 minutes, I'm back again with my mixed dough. So I'm going to knead a little and I'll start rolling out. Knead a little and I'll start rolling out. I'm sprinkling flour on top of the baking paper. It doesn't matter, but I'm just being careful so that it will not stick. But I know it will not stick, but I still want to still add because I saw somebody adding. So let me still do my own. Okay, you can see it's looking so elastic now. So I'll start rolling it out. I'm not rolling it out flat, just thick. It needs to be very thick because I'm looking for this big donut. So just thick and make it thick. You can see it's looking thick. I'll just dust my donut cutter with flour and I will start cutting out. I'm done cutting, so I got 10 pieces from this 500 grams of flour. You can see them lined very well. Right now they're going straight to my oven. I didn't on the oven, no, just keep it inside the warm place for at least 45 minutes. These, after 45 minutes, they have already come up. You can see they've already risen very, very well. So it's time to fry one after the other. As you remove, don't remove it fast, so remove the baking paper gently. When frying, for a good and lovely result, make sure you use medium heat. Reduce your heat very, very well so that your donuts will not burn. I'm done frying. Wow, beautiful. Can you see that? My white line donuts are ready. Beautifully made. Please like my video, give me some thumbs up, comment, ask question. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Feel free to check out my channel for other lovely things you will love. I have more than 300 videos. Just check out. You will see something you've been looking for a long time. Okay, some people love their donuts with sugar. just like coating the body with sugar, while some love it with different gel. So this, what I'm using right now, is grape gel spray. You can use it for bread. Some use theirs with ketchup, some with chocolate, and some also use, there are so many, the cake fillings, there are so many things you can use and enjoy your donuts. But today I'm using grape gel. I'll also be showing you how I package these beautiful donuts. So feel free, you can use your cake carton. If you don't have a smaller carton, you can go for a smaller cake carton and arrange your donuts very, very well. Okay, let's see the inside of this donut, how it looks. Wow, beautiful. This is lovely. Wow. Please come and enjoy with me. So it's time to pack our donuts. If you have foil paper, feel free to use it inside. Today I don't have any foil paper in the shop, so I decided to use my baking paper inside. Feel free to start arranging your donuts before you start pumping in your grape spray. I'm using grape spray. You can use ketchup, you can use chocolate. Just melt it and you use syringe. This is a new syringe I got. So I'm using one of my decoration tool to create a hole before I start pumping in my grape spray. Please, if you have not liked my video, give me some thumbs up. Please like my video. Feel free to comment and feel free to share to your friends and family. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to join this lovely family? Please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Come into this progress channel and enjoy. Thanks. Bye.